According to the sewer here at 3034 Northwest 70th, date is July 27th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out in the basement of the home, black ABS clean out T. Looking at the Seattle City main sewer, we're going to come back from this point into 6-inch diameter clay piping. We've got an slightly offset section at the tap here to the main. I was running a little bit of water, so you're going to see some water running through the bottom of the sewer as we come back. We're coming into 6-inch diameter clay piping. There's a seam about every 2 feet or so. Those seams are your weak spots in the pipe where you get your shifting, your root intrusion, etc. So a 6-inch diameter out under the road, coming back towards the sidewalk now. This is the offset section of pipe. I'm guessing that most of these guys are having an issue getting the camera over. It took a little bit of funky maneuvering to do so, but we popped over it. And that was actually, the transition to back to concrete pipe. We're still in 6-inch diameter. We just changed materials. For whatever reason, in 1900, they showed up with a different kind of pipe that day. And that's what you got. Somewhere in here, it should be going back into 4-inch diameter. Trying to see if I can figure where that is. That may be the spot there. There's quite a bit of buildup right there, and it does look like we are in a smaller diameter pipe now. Alright, let's go locate that spot.
Just snag in the pipe. It's an aggregate on the bottom.
Alright, we are going to zero out our footage again. I've got 45 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe coming back now onto the property. We've located this about 5 feet deep, right on the edge of the property line there, right before you hit the sidewalk. Coming back into 4-inch diameter concrete now. You've seen our... kind of tell by how aggregate the height of that aggregate is on the walling, the sidewalls of the pipe, and it's very rough along the bottom. And what eventually happens is your sewage just wears, as the water flows over, it wears the concrete totally out, and then it starts pulling dirt into the line and causing issues there, and then eroding the dirt away from the pipe, and then your pipe just kind of falls in on itself. I don't think you are totally eroded away, but you are well on your way. Right there on the left side of the pipe, top left part of the screen, there's a branch arm connection to this pipe. We're going to go locate this branch arm out in the yard, see where we're at. About 13 feet back from that 4-inch by 6-inch diameter transition point. You got that located? You did?
Yeah, somebody else already made a nice one.
Where is it? Or deep? What's the depth?
About 6 inches and change.
Okay, just a little bit over 6 feet deep in the yard there. We're going to keep coming back. Oh, we come right back into cast iron there. Showed 2 Ys on that map. Am I missing one? Oh yeah, there's another one right there at the top of the pipe. That they're right within like a couple of feet of each other. Will you locate this second one, please, Logan? I'm basically just going to set you up at the transition. Draft goal is dig one hole, line it all the way.
Yep.
4x6 liner.
Does that mean
starts 4-inch diameter and then expands 6? Yeah. Sorry.
Yep, that was their plan. In terms of like what we're looking for, the challenge is that we also had budget sewer come out.
No, I'm just going to finish this up real quick. Yeah, coming back into the pipe here. So we're going to call that we'll call it 16 feet of 4-inch diameter pipe, concrete pipe, until we get back into this cast iron piping. And up out of the ABS black plastic clean out down here in the basement and the video there.